Burna boy, you are a bitch. You are a fucking bitch, Burna boy. A bitter one. Ungena happy in our news, eh? Ungena happy. Why are you posting such nonsense, nigga? Why are you posting? Nigga, stay in your lane. Go back to Nigeria and fight for the rights with your fellow brothers. We don't need you here. Don't ever come to South Africa because you are a fucking bitch, a fraud, a criminal. We don't need you here. You fell off so hard. Nobody talks about you anymore. So now you wanna talk about us, huh? Stupid ass boy. You fell off so hard, my nigga. Try to do something with your life. You can't make hits anymore. Now you are mad. Bro, we welcome you here in South Africa, bro. We made you who you are today. AKA made you, nigga. You are a motherfucking bitch. You are very ungrateful motherfucker. We fair, bitch. Ungena happy in our news. Huh? Ungena happy. So after all that, after what? After what? You can't relate, bro. You are not South African. You are not South African. Stay in your motherfucking lane. It's fair. AKA made you. Burna boy. AKA made you. How? Please just try it allow. Posting nonsense. And don't ever come to SA, my nigga. I'm telling you. Don't ever come to SA. Because if you do, that is at 2024. That's 2044 that is that I'm gonna hit you with. So shall don't count up. Burna boy. Ungena happy in our news. So you wanna defend Chidima, a criminal. So now let me tell you something about Chidima. Chidima is a fucking criminal. She lied to the world that she was born in Soweto, but then she can't speak any of Sowetan languages. You can't be born in Soweto and you can't speak Zulu, Tsonga, Venda, Pedi. Come on. Come on, Burna boy. Come on, Burna boy. I'm pretty sure you can speak Zulu. I am very sure you can speak Zulu. But then Chidima, she can't speak no fucking Zulu. But she lied that my mother is a Zulu. How stupid is that, Burna boy? Tell me how stupid is that? And then you want us to be represented by somebody like that in our country? No, we're not gonna do that just because she's black. No. So you're not gonna blackmail us, nigga. Your fucking event last time you were planning to host here fucking failed. Now you're crying like a bitch because you are a bitch.
Oh, that's an ugly noise, son. Here, how about you cease this bitch crying?